Hey guys, it's 4th of July Eve. I guess that's a thing. It's the day before the 4th. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you and a reminder, and then I'm going to show you some nails that I just purchased. So stay tuned. So guys, before I start this Dollar Tree haul, I wanted to let you know that beginning July 14th, I will have a series. It's going to be called the 12 Days of Christmas in July Dollar Tree DIYs. So all 12 days up until the 25th of July, just like December 25th, I will have 12 Christmas in July Dollar Tree DIYs for you. So mark your calendars, stay tuned. It will jump off on July 14th. Okay, let's get right to the haul. Okay, so for my Dollar Tree haul, I'll start with some school supplies that I picked up. And I just grabbed a couple of the highlighters. You get 8 highlighters in each pack. There's yellow, orange, pink, and purple. So I think that's a really good deal. Highlighters are highlighters, right? I don't know. I've used all kinds and they all seem to work the same to me. Got a couple of packs of the Scotch tape. You get 2 rolls in the pack. I only got 1 pack. I'll have to go back and get more. I picked up these magnetic clips. I'm not sure what I'll do with those, but I just wanted them. I picked up some batteries. You get 33% more. It's the Sunbeam brand, and you get 8, and they're AA. And then I picked up a couple of packs of the Post-it notes. There's yellow and purple, and 2 packs, 88 in each pack, for a total of 176 Post-it notes. I picked up this cute little hat. I'll wear it or I'll DIY it. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Where's my pom-poms? There we go. Okay. I grabbed a couple of rolls of the clear cellophane. I have some DIYs in mind that I'll need that for. Sorry guys, the stuff is still in the bags. Picked up this cute little notebook. It has bicycles and flowers on it. There are 180 sheets. It's called a Spiral Fat Book, made by Jot. Brillo Basics, Erase and Wipe. Looks like it has the Mr. Clean white side, and then it has a purple side. Maybe that's a scrubby side. It says 2-in-1 cleaning without chemicals, 1 cleaning pad. So we'll see how that works. Picked up a couple of more clay pots. There's 3 in each pack. These are the smallest ones. Have some DIYs coming up for those in the fall. I meant to eat these and I forgot. I had them. They're the pretzel crisp chips. What are they? Pretzel crisp. And these are garlic parmesan, 3 ounces. Just some hair ties. You get 15. 2 Dove soaps for sensitive skin. And some burlap ribbon. It's 3 yards, 2 inch, and it's in a greenish tealy color. Oh, and some nail polish remover to go with these nails that I want to show you guys. And of course I had to pick up some more fall florals. Picked up a couple of the mini mums in the white. These are maple leaf garlands. I got this one. And this one. That one. Oh, I got 3 minimums. And this one. It's got a little squash, I think, or something. Gourd, I guess is what you would call it. Picked up 2 packs of the Scott tissue. Picked up this little 10-piece Western play set. I really want the wheels off the wagon. I bought these. They had blue and they had clear, I guess, for red, white, and blue, but I actually bought the red with Christmas in mind. And then I just picked up 2 of these baskets with the handles. I was in Dollar General earlier this week, and I picked up 2 of these. They had them half price. Has the wick in. You can put, I guess, the oil that you burn in like a lantern. And I picked up 2 of these, and I paid $1.50 each for those. There we go. Okay, so that's all for the haul. And I just want to remind you guys about the challenge I have upcoming on August 3rd, I think. I'm pretty sure it's August 3rd. It's the first Saturday in August. It's the Thrift It to Gift It challenge. So I'll link that video where I talked about it, and you can check it out, and hopefully you'll participate. And then I'm going to show you a clip of these nails. They're actually nail strips, and these are an ombre. You can't really see. They are supposed to be clear down here at the bottom and glittery at the top. It's like an ombre effect. But I have more that I'm going to do as well. And I don't do my nails, guys. I know you have never seen my nails done because I craft so much that it doesn't do any good. A girl I work with is selling these. So I'm gonna throw a clip in here, let you see the process of putting them on, and I'll put a link to her Facebook page, and if you're interested in any of them, you can check her out. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. Okay guys, so these are the nails. They're from Color Street, and these are just the sparkly ones. They're kind of like an ombre. The bottom's kind of clear, and then the top is the sparkles. You get a nail file, you get 16 nail strips, and then a little prep pad just to clean your nails. It's an alcohol pad basically. So I'm just going to wipe my nails off. I've already washed my hands, but I'll use it anyway. So what you do is you kind of see which nail you think will fit. It says to start with your thumb. You take the clear off, then you remove the nail strip, and this is the sticky part. Grab the tip with your other hand, and you pull that little square piece off at the bottom, and then you just place it on your nail. Like so. And this is my very first one, so I'm going to skip through a little bit because I had a little bit of trouble with the first one, but that was totally my fault. I was trying to get it perfect, and you kind of like stretch it and push it down on your nail. See, I've lifted it off. I guess I'm not skipping through. I'll just let you guys see what I did. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put it on, and then once you get it on, you kind of pinch it at the end, and you use the nail file to file off the excess. And if you do get this on your skin, you know, wherever you don't want it, you can remove it pretty easily. It's just kind of like with fingernail polish. I wouldn't use nail polish remover, but you can use your fingernail or a nail file and kind of rub it and pull it off of your skin if you do get it over on it. So here's what we've got. Now I'm going to pinch it and file it off. So here it is, guys. It's really easy to do. Of course, this is my very first one, so take that into consideration. but I will show you a couple more and I'll show you the final result at the end. So here are the first two nails I've done, and I'll just skip to the end and show you the final result. And here they are, guys. I think they turned out really good for a first timer. I do have some of it down on my skin too low, and I will clean that up. But if you're interested, the brand is Color Street, and I will leave Lisa's information below in my description box, and you can check it out. They do have a lot of specials going on in July. And if you do decide to order, just mention my name and she'll know who sent you. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the haul. Don't forget about the Thrift It to Gift It challenge. And if you're interested in these nail strips, check out the description box below. See you in the next video.